Can you consider members of the animal kingdom differently than before? Are they commodities? Do they think thoughts? Why won't they tell me? Every aspect of life deserves exploration. Physical bodies are entitled to boundaries.
All animals have language. So body language is when we talk with our bodies, and every single solitary animal does it. And I'm going to say something with my body, and you tell me what I'm feeling. You guys ready? And there you have it. And I didn't even say one word. So animals are doing that all the time.
Animals communicate how they feel through actions. If we observe how each animal behaves, we can easily determine how it is feeling. Sometimes they like to be pet, and sometimes they don't.
Right now, it's just pink and white.
Oh, okay, I think you're gonna put down.
Are they all? I mean, I would expect if you were like picky when you pick them up, like annoyed. The chickens that don't want to be picked up are the ones that run away. It's okay. It's so warm and little. Yeah, those are the chickens that are warm.
We're all the same, we just look different.
It is difficult to relate to those who are different than we are, but aren't there emotions that we all experience?
We have different sounds and we have different lifestyles. But what we believe is that in our hearts we are all the same. So no matter what we look like, we all feel happy and sad sometimes. No matter what we look like, we all have best friends and we all love our families. No matter what we look like, we all feel scared for the same reasons. And no matter what we look like, we all just want a good life.
They also have another barn down the road more, which holds most of the other animals. I think the ones that can't really be around people yet, most of the time.
Just like humans, when animals suffer prolonged abuse, they develop insecurities, and sometimes they don't recover.
3 months ago, she would have left and gone to the other side of the road for all of the people in here. She would not have stayed.
And the last bull that mounted her broke her back. And when she came here, she couldn't walk at all.
Grace used to be a dairy cow. After a farmer forced her to mate with 8 different bulls, Grace's back broke. Now she is afraid of humans. Physically, her back has healed, but she still only allows a few select humans to touch her.
So she's like, I don't know who to trust anymore. But yeah, her date is great.
Her tag that's in her ear right now will come out as soon as she's comfortable. We don't do anything to them that makes them uncomfortable because they've been raised with so much abuse and neglect in the meat industry that we don't want her to think that here is just as bad.
He had been bred and injected with hormones, so that's why he's so large. Typically, even if they get to live or get rescued, the most they can make it is like 5 years because just too much on their body.
She does a bit of an anxiety thing where she rocks back and forth. She seems to be really nice and still now. Yeah, because she thinks she's loving her kid upstairs.
Those are aggressive noises?
Yeah, she usually likes women better than men.
Dang it.
I've had kind of been wanting to like rescue a turkey before Thanksgiving for a while, and I tried the year before, but it was kind of unsuccessful.
Above all else, animals are amazing. Sometimes troubled youth visit the barn, and the animals and youth help each other heal. At her dairy farm, Buttercup lost her calf due to malnutrition. She now mothers the orphaned calves that arrive. Only after you put your arms around their neck and your head on their shoulder can you understand how mentally present, powerful, and gentle cows are. Animals are sentient and retain memories. Who do you want to be? Every single being deserves to have their physical body respected.